Today our topic is condition of solvability of linear equations. Let the given system of equations be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then there may be the following three cases. If a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2, then system is consistent and has a unique solution. In this case, graph of both line intersect at a point and the intersection point is the solution. Means अगर a1 अपॉन a2 और b1 अपॉन b2 की वैल्यू इक्वल नहीं है उस कंडीशन में सिस्टम कंसिस्टेंट होगा. कंसिस्टेंट मीन्स सिस्टम का सॉल्यूशन होगा. और सिस्टम का सॉल्यूशन कैसा होगा? यहाँ पर सिस्टम का सॉल्यूशन यूनिक होगा. मीन्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही सॉल्यूशन होगा. और इस कंडीशन में अगर हम दोनों दी हुई इक्वेशंस का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं तो दोनों ग्राफ लाइंस एक पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी एंड दैट इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द गिवन इक्वेशंस. केस सेकेंड, इफ a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then system is consistent and has an infinite number of solution. अगर तीनों की रेशो की वैल्यू इक्वल आती है उस कंडीशन में भी जो सिस्टम है वो कंसिस्टेंट होगा और जो उसके सॉल्यूशन होंगे वो इनफाइनाइट होंगे. इन दिस केस ग्राफ ऑफ बोथ द लाइंस कोइंसाइड. मीन्स अगर हम दोनों इक्वेशंस का ग्राफ लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे तो वो दोनों लाइन सेम लाइन के ऊपर होंगी. इन दिस केस सिस्टम इज कंसिस्टेंट एंड हैज़ एन इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. केस थर्ड, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but does not equal to c1 upon c2, then system is inconsistent. means सिस्टम का कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा. इनकन्सिस्टेंट सिस्टम का मतलब देयर विल बी नो सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द गिवन सिस्टम. इन दिस केस बोथ द लाइन्स विल बी पैरेलल. अगर हम दोनों लाइन्स का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे तो उस कंडीशंस में दोनों लाइन्स पैरेलल होंगी. लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल हेयर. Find the value of k for which the system of equation x minus 2y is equal to 3, 3x plus ky is equal to 1 has a unique solution. Here first equation is given x minus 2y is equal to 3. First we will derive in standard form. X minus 2y is equal to 3, that implies x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. It is the standard form of the linear pair equations in two variable. Standard equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we have to convert it into standard form. X minus 2y is equal to 3, that implies x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Equation number 1. By comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, we get x a1 is equal to 1. Here the coefficient of x is 1. Here the coefficient of x is a1. It means a1 is equal to 1. Here coefficient of y is minus 2. Here coefficient of y is b1. So value of b1 is equal to minus 2 and value of c1 is equal to minus 3. Similarly we will do for the equation second. Equation second is 3x plus ky is equal to 1. That implies 3x plus ky minus 1 equal to 0. By comparing with equation second a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we find that a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to k, c2 is equal to minus 1. Since system has unique solution, then a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. The value of a1 is 1, value of a2 is 3. So 1 upon 3 does not equal to value of b1 is equal to minus 2, value of b2 is equal to k. So 1 upon 3 does not equal to minus 2 upon 3. By cross multiplication, k does not equal to minus 6. It means the given system of equation will have a unique solution for all real values of k except minus 6. k की वैल्यू माइनस 6 नहीं हो सकती. माइनस 6 को छोड़कर k कैन बी एनी रियल नंबर. Hence the given system of equation will have a unique solution for all real values of k other than minus 6. Got it? इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस 1 और 2 मार्क्स में आते हैं बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में. लेट्स सी वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. Find the value of k for which the given system of equation has infinitely many solutions. Given equations are kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 3 and 12x plus ky is equal to k. First equation, kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 3. We will convert it in the standard form. Kx plus 3y minus in bracket k minus 3 equal to 0. It is the standard equation. By comparing it with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, we get value of a1 is equal to k. Coefficient of x is k and coefficient of x is a1. So a1 is equal to k. Value of b1 is equal to 3 and value of c1 is equal to minus in bracket k minus 3. Similarly, for equation second, 12x plus ky is equal to k. 12x plus ky minus k equal to 0. We had converted it in the standard form. By comparing with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we get value of a2 is equal to 12, value of b2 is equal to k, value of c2 is minus k. Since the given system of equation has infinitely many solutions, then a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Value of a1 is k, value of a2 is 12. So then k upon 12 is equal to value of b1 is 3, value of b2 is k. So then 3 upon k is equal to value of c1 is minus k minus 3, value of c2 is minus k. So then k minus 3 upon k. That implies k upon 12 is equal to 3 upon k and 3 upon k is equal to k minus 3 upon k. Here by cross multiplication k into k square, 12 into 3 36, k square is equal to 36, that implies k is equal to plus minus square root of 36. That implies k is equal to plus minus 6. That implies k is equal to 6 और k is equal to minus 6. यहाँ से k की दो वैल्यू आ रही हैं 6 और minus 6. And second case is 3 upon k is equal to k minus 3 upon k. By cross multiplication 3 into k is equal to k into k minus 3. 3k is equal to k into k square, k into minus 3 minus 3k. That implies 0 is equal to k square minus 3k minus 3k. That implies k square minus 3k becomes minus 6k. K square minus 6k equal to 0. K is the common. After taking the common k, it becomes k into k minus 6 equal to 0. Then k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. When k minus 6 is equal to 0, k is equal to 6. Hence k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. Here we have two values of k, 0 or 6. From first case value of k is equal to 6 or k is equal to minus 6. From second case value of k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. In both the cases value of k is equal to 6 is the common. Hence for the system has hence the given system has infinitely many solutions for the value of k is equal to 6. That is the answer. Got it? Let's see one more example here. Find the values of k for which pair of linear equation kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 2 and 12x plus ky is equal to k has no solution. First equation is kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 2. After converting it into standard form, it becomes kx plus 3y minus in bracket k minus 2 equal to 0. By comparing it with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, we get a1 is equal to k, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus k minus 2. Second equation is 12x plus ky is equal to k. After converting it into standard form, it becomes 12x plus ky minus k equal to 0. By comparing with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we get value of a2 is equal to 12, value of b2 is equal to k, value of c2 is equal to minus k. Since system has no solution, then a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2. After putting the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2, we get k upon 12 is equal to 3 upon k does not equal to k minus 2 upon k. That implies k upon 12 is equal to 3 upon k, and 3 upon k does not equal to k minus 2 upon k. Here after cross multiplication, k into k is equal to k square, 12 into 3 36, k square is equal to 36, k is equal to plus minus square root of 36, k is equal to plus minus 6. Here we got the two values of k is equal to 6 or k is equal to minus 6. From right side, 3 upon k does not equal to k minus 2 upon k. After cross multiplication, k into k minus 2 does not equal to 3 into k. K into k square, minus 2 into k minus 2k, minus 3k does not equal to 0. K square minus 5k does not equal to 0. After taking the common k into k minus 5 does not equal to 0. We will verify the values of k after putting here. First value of k is 6. When k is equal to 6, then k into k minus 5 is equal to 6 into 6 minus 5 is equal to 6 into 1 is equal to 6, which is not equal to 0. Hence k is equal to 6 satisfied this condition, that is 3 upon k does not equal to k minus 2 upon k. When k is equal to minus 6, then the value of k into k minus 5, minus 6 into minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 into minus 11 is equal to 66, that is not equal to 0. Again the condition is satisfied. Hence the given system of equation has no solution when k is equal to 6 or k is equal to minus 6. k की दोनों वैल्यू के लिए ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड हो रही है, इट मीन्स k के दो पॉसिबिलिटी होंगी, तो k के दो पॉसिबल आंसर होंगे, k इज इक्वल टू 6 और k इज इक्वल टू -6. Got it? Thank you so much.